If you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one welder that can handle everything from TIG to plasma cutting, stop scrolling, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 3 TOOLIOM welders that are taking 2025 by storm. Whether you're a home DIYer, garage hobbyist, or a pro fabricator, these machines give you big performance without breaking the bank. From the TOOLIOM 3-in-1 plasma cutter combo to the 5-in-1 aluminum master and the 200A ACDC TIG pulse welder, I'll show you what makes each one worth every penny. Let's dive in. TOOLIOM 3-in-1 cut/TIG/stick welder, 50A plasma cutter plus 200A TIG plus 200A stick. The TOOLIOM 3-in-1 cut/TIG/stick welder is your go-to for clean, fast, and versatile metalwork. It packs a 50A air plasma cutter, 200A TIG, and 200A stick welder, all in one portable body. Designed for 110/220V dual voltage, it's perfect for both home garages and mobile repairs. Pros: multi-process convenience, cut, weld, and repair with one unit. Dual voltage, compact, and portable. Easy digital controls for smooth settings. Cons: not ideal for very thick industrial metals. Customer review. Buyers love how easy it is to switch modes and praise the clean plasma cuts and consistent arc stability. One user said, "It performs like a $1,000 welder at half the price." Best for DIYers, small fabrication shops, and on-the-go welders. TOOLIOM 5-in-1 MIG/TIG/cut/stick welder, aluminum spool gun compatible. The TOOLIOM 5-in-1 multi-process welder is a total powerhouse. It's got MIG, TIG, stick, plasma cutting, and spool gun compatibility, making it perfect for aluminum, stainless steel, and mild steel projects. With dual 110/220V voltage, it's ready for home or pro work environments. Pros: handles aluminum and steel with precision. Spool gun ready for smooth aluminum MIG. User-friendly digital interface with fast setup. Cons: slightly heavier compared to the 3-in-1 model. Customer review. Users rave about its impressive welding quality and clean plasma cuts, calling it the best multi-process welder under $700. Many mention its reliability for garage and farm use. Best for auto body work, light fabrication, and aluminum welding. TOOLIOM 200A ACDC TIG welder with pulse, professional aluminum welding machine. For serious welders who need precision, the TOOLIOM 200A ACDC TIG welder is a beast. It offers AC TIG, DC TIG, pulse TIG, spot TIG, and stick modes, all powered by an IGBT inverter for stable performance. The large LED display and pulse control make it ideal for fine aluminum welding. Pros: pulse TIG delivers perfect aluminum welds. Dual voltage for home and shop setups. Smooth arc start and stable current control. Cons: slight learning curve for TIG beginners. Customer review. Customers call it a professional-grade TIG at a home shop price. Many praise its pulse feature and LED control panel for making precise aluminum jobs effortless. Best for professional TIG welders, auto restorers, and precision metalworkers. So there you have it, TOOLIOM's top 3 welding machines that prove you don't need to spend thousands to get pro-level performance. Whether you want a compact 3-in-1, a versatile 5-in-1, or a precision TIG pulse welder, TOOLIOM's lineup has something for everyone. Check the links in the description to grab yours from Amazon today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tool reviews every week.